Life is not a smooth journey. It's riddled with inevitable losses, heartbreaks, and unexpected challenges. People we cherish, family members, and beloved animals may depart from our lives, leaving behind a void that seems insurmountable. Financial setbacks can occur, and the pain of betrayal from others may cut deep, even when we can't fathom what we did to deserve it. These are harsh truths we all must face during our time on this planet. Hoping for a future where the world is free of strife and danger, where we can walk the streets without fear, is a beautiful but unrealistic dream. The world, by its nature, is imperfect and can be unpredictable. Waiting for an idyllic time to come is a futile pursuit. However, this doesn't mean that we are powerless or condemned to a life of perpetual struggle. Acknowledging these harsh realities and preparing ourselves mentally and physically is the key to navigating life's challenges successfully. Instead of passively waiting for better times, it's crucial to actively work towards creating them. It's about letting go of fantasy and embracing the truth that life, with all its imperfections, is a canvas upon which we can paint our own journey. By learning and developing ourselves, both mentally and physically, we equip ourselves with the tools needed to traverse the ups and downs of life. There's strength in understanding that hardship is a part of the human experience. And rather than avoiding it, we should focus on building resilience. The path to a fulfilling life lies in our ability to confront difficulties head on, armed with the knowledge that we can grow from adversity. It's about creating our own better times by contributing positively to the world around us. We have the power to shape our destinies, and it begins with discarding the notion that a trouble-free existence is achievable without effort. In essence, life's challenges are inevitable, but our response to them defines our journey. Instead of waiting for a utopian future, let's actively participate in shaping a better world. By embracing the realities of life, preparing ourselves and taking positive actions, we can walk through this lifetime with purpose and resilience, with heartfelt warmth and appreciation. Your companion on this journey.